Ever wondered why learning to code feels like climbing an endless mountain? You're not alone. Many beginners dive into programming with excitement, only to find themselves overwhelmed and frustrated. In this video, we're diving deep into why coding feels like such a tough battle and how you can push through these challenges. Stick around to uncover the secrets to overcoming these obstacles and turning your coding journey into a success story. Phase 1. The Hand-Holding Honeymoon. When you first begin learning to code, platforms like Codecademy and Treehouse make it seem easy. Is this too good to be true? Initial Boost. These beginner-friendly platforms simplify complex concepts, giving you a sense of instant success and boosting your confidence. You might think, coding isn't so hard after all. Illusion of mastery. This early phase can be deceiving. The simple tutorials might give you a false sense of your coding prowess. Are you truly prepared for the real-world challenges? Building basics. Despite the ease, this stage is critical for learning the foundational skills. It sets the stage for more complex learning. Ensure you understand the basics thoroughly, as they will be the building blocks for everything else you learn. Preparing for the hard stuff. As the guided learning phase ends, the real difficulty begins. Be prepared for a more challenging journey ahead by gradually increasing the complexity of the problems you tackle and seeking out more advanced tutorials. Phase 2. The Cliff of Confusion. As you move from guided lessons to solving problems on your own, the coding landscape becomes much more daunting. What makes this transition so tough? Confidence crash. The transition can lead to a significant drop in confidence. Suddenly, you're faced with debugging and building projects without step-by-step instructions. To cope, remind yourself that struggle is a natural part of the learning process and seek out resources like forums, documentation, and coding communities for support. Solo struggles. This phase is a true test of your problem-solving abilities. It's where many learners encounter their first major hurdles. Overcome these by breaking problems into smaller, manageable tasks and focusing on one issue at a time. Developing skills. Learning to troubleshoot and tackle problems independently is crucial. Techniques like rubber duck debugging, explaining your code to an inanimate object, and using a systematic approach to debugging can significantly help you progress. Action plan. Regular practice and viewing failures as opportunities to learn are essential. Create a consistent study schedule and set realistic goals to maintain progress and motivation. Phase 3. The Desert of Despair. The deeper you go into coding, the more information you'll encounter, which can be overwhelming. How do you avoid getting lost in this desert of despair? Overload alert. With endless resources and technologies to choose from, it's easy to feel swamped. Prioritize your learning by focusing on one language or framework at a time and setting specific, achievable goals. Avoiding quick fixes. It's tempting to look for shortcuts, but true learning requires understanding the basics thoroughly. Resist quick fixes and focus on mastering core concepts. Structured learning. A structured learning path, such as the one offered by the Odin Project, can guide you and prevent aimless wandering. Maintaining motivation. Staying motivated during this phase is key. Set milestones and reward yourself for reaching them. Find ways to remind yourself why you started learning to code in the first place, whether it's through journaling, vision boards, or even right now. Please add a comment on this video and let me know what are your main motivations. Phase 4. The Upswing of Awesome. After overcoming the toughest phases, you'll start to see significant progress. What makes this phase so rewarding? Building confidence. Successfully completing projects and seeing your skills in action can boost your confidence immensely. Reflect on your progress regularly and acknowledge how far you've come. Ongoing learning. Even in this phase, learning never truly stops. Stay curious and keep exploring new technologies and concepts. Attend workshops, take advanced courses, and continuously challenge yourself with new projects. Applying best practices. Embracing best practices and refining your coding techniques will enhance your proficiency. Regularly review and refactor your code to improve its quality and efficiency. That's a way for you to stay updated and keep improving. Handling self-doubt. It's normal to have lingering doubts even when you're making progress. Combat these feelings by celebrating small wins, seeking feedback from peers, and maintaining a growth mindset. How can you make the journey easier? To navigate the ups and downs of learning to code, use these practical tips for success. Build real projects. Working on actual projects reinforces your knowledge and provides a sense of achievement. Start with small projects and gradually tackle more complex ones as your skills improve. Join coding communities. Engage with others, participate in events, and seek support. Communities like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and local coding meetups can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Find a mentor. A mentor can offer valuable advice and encouragement. Look for mentors through online coding forums, LinkedIn, or local tech meetups. They can provide guidance, share experiences, and help you stay motivated. Iterative progress. Focus on small, consistent improvements and celebrate your successes. Track your progress and set incremental goals to maintain momentum and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.